Hi there, what's up, Nashville? Okay, I'm here with my friend, Dr. Frank. I call him Dr. Frank. I've known him for years, and he's an amazing chiropractor here in the Cool Springs area.
Thank you.
Yes, you are. I know so many people that go to you. My own family goes to you because you're passionate and you really help people. During these times, tell me how you've adapted and what you're doing and how you're seeing patients.
Absolutely. Well, thank you for that. It's been a pleasure seeing you and your family for the number of years now. We've been doing a lot of things. We already did a lot of these in advance. We already cleaned the office all the time. Now we're doing extra cleaning. We always clean the doors when people come in. Our iPads to check in, we clean them throughout the day. My room that I do the adjustments in, we constantly clean that. We do a lipo-laser program for weight loss. We constantly clean the laser paddles there. We have vibration machines. We clean them as well. I also have an air purifier that every few hours cleans the entire 3,000 square foot office.
That's big.
Yeah, we've been doing that actually for years, and it helps with bacteria, viruses, any kind of germs floating around. It completely with UV light cleans that out every few hours. We've been able to be open this whole time, which is great. So we've been helping people still get adjustments, still do weight loss, especially with the quarantine. We've all gained that quarantine 15, and we've been helping a lot of people for that because now it's summer, so people are ready to get out again and get going. So we've been doing a lot this whole time.
Okay, so you mentioned a little bit. What kind of services do you have here? So what ailments would people have that they need you for?
So basically, we do everything here but surgery. So if you have back problems, neck problems, headaches are big. We do a lot of things now with the knees and the shoulders, the wrists for carpal tunnels, the elbow. So we do a lot of laser treatments for that. We do disc decompression if you have stenosis, if you have disc degeneration, if you have sciatica in your back, if you have numbness and tingling in your fingers. And then we also do a lot of weight loss programs with here, both with diet changes and exercises, and also the lipo-laser, which is an LED light that helps open up fat cells.
Okay, so if you're a human, you are suffering from some of these things.
That's right.
That's for sure. Okay, all right, now you've already been on What's Up Nashville, but I'm going to ask you again.
Yeah.
So I always ask people at What's Up Nashville 2 questions. First of all, I know how long you've been here because I met you. I've known you for
long time.
Over 10 years when you first came here. So how long have you been here? Where did you come from? I bet you can guess. And yeah.
So I'm originally from Long Island, if you couldn't tell, New York. Grew up in Massapequa, which is in the suburbs of New York City. And I've been down here for 13 years, and I love it. I love it here in Nashville. I'll never move back up north, and I really like the South. I like the weather here. I like the people. And Nashville has grown so much that, like I said, my family's here now. I'm not moving out.
No. So what's your favorite thing about Nashville?
I love the weather. I know a lot of people
get
upset about 90 degrees plus. Like, I like it. I like the summers here. I like the lakes. I like to be out in the pool. I like to go out and go on the boat. And I love taking my kids outside and playing. So that's my favorite part. And I just love the South. I really like it here. It's more spacious. I like that the homes are newer. Up north, the homes are really old and worn down. I like it as new down here. So I really just like the atmosphere.
That's great. Us Northerners love it in the South.
Yeah, absolutely.
If you've discovered the South, you'll love the South. And that's what What's Up Nashville is all about.
Absolutely.
Okay, it's a treat to see you. You're one of my very favorite people. I love our conversations. And we're going to go now. What's Up Nashville? We're out. Bye.
Bye. Thanks.